How is one meant to navigate their way through the chaos? How do we thrive, not just survive? The present system doesn't teach us to think for ourselves, to question the status quo, to seek the answers within. Now more than ever, we need innovation where it matters, education that empowers, and the inspiration to live our truth. We're all capable of anything, but we need a real roadmap. Welcome to Mpower TV, igniting the passion and purpose that lies in each and every one of us. Bringing Indigenous wisdom to the modern world, inspirational teachers in the arts, science and culture, frontline specialists in health and well-being, and some of the most creative minds from around the globe to an affordable digital TV channel that is available to all. Giving you the tools to help yourself, to truly understand what it means to be human and to live with purpose in this lifetime. It's what we should have been taught, how to not live in fear, but rather harness our unlimited potential. Mpower TV, live your truth.